Hello, everybody. Welcome to your lesson. Today we will talk about large number, how to write them, and how to pronounce them. Let's start. Here we have the basic numbers, and we are going to check on their pronunciation and how to write them. So we have here number 10. 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and 1,000,000. Now we have it, but with 20, with number 2. So we have 20, 200, 2,000, 20,000, 200,000, and 2,000,000. Let's have some more practice. Listen and circle the numbers you hear. Okay, I'm going to start with 689, 304, 7,090, 6,000,000, 3,700, 680, 66, 30,490, 750, 72. Okay, so now we need to check the pronunciation again. I'm going to go in order. 66, 750, 3,700, 304, 7,090, 689, 72, 30,490, 680, 6,000,000. Okay, now it is your turn. You have these numbers. Write the number and how to write it in your platform. That's all for today. Until next time. Bye-bye.